Hi guys, in this video we are going to transform an old silk saree into a beautiful book cover. I made this DIY for Preeti Prabhu. Borrowed this beautiful old silk saree from her collection. Her collection contains a wide variety of vintage saree. I am using this plain section as my first layer as I am going to add more details later on. Iron the cloth to get rid of creases. Apply Fevicol on top of the knot and spread it out evenly into a thin layer. The glue layer should be off-dried, means when you touch the knot, the glue should not transfer to your hand, but it is sticky enough to paste the cloth. From one corner, slowly paste the cloth on the knot. Start smoothing it out to avoid air bubbles on the knot. Wrap the saree on both sides of the knot, just like we do book binding. I'm gonna speeden up the video as this is just like book binding. Instead of brown paper, I'm using old silk saree. I'm pasting glass paper to get clean finish. I want to highlight the jari of the saree, so I chose this design. I'm using this bottom piece which have this jari and a fire-like design. This will give a balance effect as on top we will have jari and back we will have this design. For triangle design, I am using the red cloth from the bottom border. To make the red triangle, I am using a large square piece and folding it to small square piece. Just like first layer, I am pasting the second layer cloth and highlighting only jari on top layer. By hiding the bottom half of the square under jari, we will get this triangle design. I am again repeating the same process for second layer. Wait for few minutes to glue layer to dry, so the glue will not bleed on top. Here is the final reveal of the knot. Pasted this simple blue saree on top of this knot, just like the orange saree knot. This jari design is so beautiful. I want the jari to be the main focus, so I am using the blue color saree as the background. Sometimes the jari will not properly stick, so place a heavy object on top of it. This knot looks incomplete for me, so I am adding column design above the jari. Here is the finished look of this knot. See you guys in the next video.